My mother is the most important person in my life. Her name is Lakshmi. She is my best friend. She is kind, loving, and always takes care of me. Every day, my mother wakes up early to prepare our breakfast and tiffins. She works very hard to take care of our family, and even when she is tired, she never complains. She always has a smile on her face and is ready to help me with anything I need. She listened to me when I had problems and offers advice. She encouraged me to do my best and helps me believe in myself, whether I am feeling happy or sad. She is always there to support me. My mother is the heart of my family.